you will need a baking tray with water in it, some washing up liquid, a pencil, a spoon, some scissors, some dried herbs, a plate, and then either cereal box card or the plastic from a milk carton, or maybe both. Hello, my name is Sarah and I have an experiment for you. Look, I made a boat from the plastic from a milk bottle. You can see it's pointed at the front and flat at the back. It's also quite small. Watch what happens if we put it in a tray of water. Here's a tray of water and I'm going to float my boat on it very carefully at one end. Now it's not going very far. I could try moving it with the power of my mind, but that's not going to work. I'm going to have to do something a little bit different. I've got some soap on my spoon here. Watch what happens. Did you see that? That was amazing. That was amazing. But how does it work? Well, our boat is able to float on the surface partly because it's very light, but also because water has something called surface tension. It's kind of like a skin on top of the water. Now when we put our boat on the water, it floats. If I add in a little bit of soap behind it, it breaks that skin, a bit like a popping balloon, and it pulls the water apart and over to the sides, which means that our boat sails to the side of the tray. Soap is really useful for breaking surface tension. It's why we use it for washing our hands with, because it helps to carry the dirt away and it can even kill some germs. You could try this experiment maybe using a different sized boat, or maybe a cardboard boat made from cereal box card, or maybe even a fish. See what happens. I've got another experiment for you too. This plate has got some water in it. Now if I sprinkle a little bit of herbs on the surface, they're sitting on there just like our boat because they're nice and light, but also the surface tension is holding them up. Now if I were to add in a little bit of soap into the middle, just like we did when we made our boat sail, what will happen to the herbs? I think you need to experiment, and we would love to see the results of anything that you do. Please share them on social media using the hashtag #SensoryScience. Thank you. Goodbye.